This is a public service announcement. A mechanic in Gainesville, Florida, or was that Gainesville, saved a man's life by removing a horrible noise coming from his car. The entire car's stereo setup had to be redone in the process. Now that the Michael Bolton "This Is the Time" Christmas CD was removed, he reported that his life is worth living again. It was someone's idea of a practical joke, but gluing the CD in the player and removing the volume control knobs after getting them stuck at full blast is just cruel and unusual punishment.
And I thought Mariah Carey was bad.
Thank you.